worm gears, planetary screws, and ball screws. The machine features a modular design with flexible configuration options, enabling efficient adaptation to a wide range of worm machining processes. With a maximum machining module of 2 or 3 millimeters and a machining length of 300 millimeters, the machine delivers high precision, reliable machining for small to medium-sized worm and screw components. Across industries such as automotive, humanoid robotics, robotic dogs, rail transit,